Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can draw programmatically tiles in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So first what I'll do is I'll just create one 2D scene, and here you can add whatever tiles you want. So I'll just create I'll just select our tile map layer. So here I'll just select this. Okay, I'll add let's leave this as floor. You can name it whatever you feel like. I'll just do Command S to save this. Okay, then I'll just select our floor, and here I'll just select tile set. I'll just click on this tile set. Now my tile size are 32 by 32. That's why I'm changing this size. You will have to check your own tile set. Here you can see I have added one sprite sheet for our tile set. So I'll just select our floor. I'll go to tile set over here, and I'll just drag and drop it over here. I'll just click on yes. Then you will have to go to tile map over here, and first I'll just draw it using the editor, but later on I will show you how to do it programmatically. So I would highly recommend you also draw it on your with the help of this GUI or GUI, whatever you call it, so that Godot knows what tile you want to draw. So here you can see I'll just select, what I'll do is I'll just select this rect tool. I'll select this and I'll select this. So here I'll just zoom in a little bit. Here you can see I have this multiple floor tools. So I'll just select, you don't need to select all of this, you can just select one. So for now I'll just select all of this, given that they are the same, and I can draw it something like this. Okay, next I'll create one more thing. You can create however many you like. So I'll just create two more. So what I'll do is I'll just do Command D. I'll do Command D again, and here I'll just name it as walls. Okay, and the last one I can name it as maybe suppose targets. Okay, like I said, you can create as many as you want. Now I'll just select walls. I'll just select this paint tool. I only want one, so I'll just select this one and I'll draw something like this. Okay, now I'll just select target. I'll select this one and I'll draw something like this. Now I'll quickly run this just to show it to you that we are able to see this on the screen. So here you can see we are able to see it. Now what I'll do is I'll just go to node 2D. I'll attach one script to this, and I'll just minimize the output. And first what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop all this inside our script. Let me just increase the brightness a little bit, and I'll just drag and drop floor first, then I'll drag and drop walls, then I'll just drag and drop targets as well. Now the next thing is, suppose I have already done something on the GUI, right? Suppose you don't want that, you want to clear that out entire thing programmatically. So how you can do that? You can just do floor dot clear. If you have something over here, you can just do walls dot clear, and you can just do targets dot clear as well. I'll just improve the indentation a bit, and if I run this, here you can see I'm not able to see anything now because it has cleared everything. Alright, now suppose if I want to draw something programmatically, so what you need to do, suppose I want to draw something on the floor. Okay, so I can just do floor dot set cell, where you want to draw it, at which cell you want. You need to provide the vector2 coordinates, right? So I can just do vector2i. Suppose I want to draw it 0, 0. Now the next thing, if you see, it requires a source ID as well as Atlassian coordinates, right? So where do we get that? So you can just select your floor. You can go to tile set. Here you can see this is the source ID. So Godot automatically gives you a source ID. The source ID is same for the entire tile sheet, so it will be 0. Here you can see it is 0, so I will just write 0 over here. Now next thing is what which particular image you want to draw, right? So suppose I want to draw this particular image. So if you come over here and hover over it, here you can see the Atlas coordinates are 3, 0, right? So I can just do vector 2i 3, 0. Okay, now let's try to run this. I'll just run this over here. Here you can see it has drawn the floor for us. Same thing you can do multiple times wherever you want to draw. Suppose I want to draw it for the walls as well, right? So I can just copy this. I will copy it one more time for the targets as well. I'll just copy walls over here. I'll just copy targets over here. Okay, like I said, here you need to provide the coordinates. So here I'll just give 1 comma 1, and here I can just give 5 comma 5. Alright, now the vector, like I said, the source ID remains the same, so we can keep it as it is. I want to just change the tile. So for wall I want this, right? So the at last coordinate is 2 comma 0, right? So I'll just change it over here, 2 comma 0, and for last one it is 9 comma 0. So I'll just change it to 9 comma 0 over here. Command S to save, and let's just run this. And here you can see it has drawn the 3 walls, or the 3 sprites, whatever you want to call it. So hopefully you got the point. Now suppose you have drawn an entire line and you want to just erase a particular sprite at a particular position, right? You don't want to clear everything out. So here you can see we have cleared everything out using the clear method, right? I just want to erase it at a particular position. So suppose it has drawn the floor at this position. I want to erase it now. So it's quite simple. You just have to do floor dot erase cell, and here you just need to provide the position. So here this is the position, right? Vector 2. Okay, sorry, command C, command V, and I'll just run this. And here you can see it has removed the floor from this particular position, and we only see this two, the wall as well as the target. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you got the point. Thank you for watching. Bye.